Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can factory reset your Beats Wireless Studio 3 headphones. You might want to do this if you're having problems with them. A factory reset might help you out. All we have to do is press and hold down this power button for 10 seconds. It doesn't matter whether these are on or off, because by holding it down you're going to turn them on anyway. And then what will happen is it will start flashing here. Once it stops flashing, so it might stop flashing when they're all lit up or all off, but once it stops flashing, you take your finger off the power button and you will see it will go from a red light to white lights, red light to white lights, red light to white lights. It will do the red light 3 times and then it will be reset. So we're going to do it now. So I'm holding it down now. You see there it's turned itself on. I'm still holding. You see it's flashing. I'm still holding. And now it's stopped. I'm going to let go and you will see it will go to a red light, the white lights, red light, and now that is factory reset. You can see now it's gone to pairing. So if I was just to press that for 1 second, it will turn off. And then when you turn it back on again, you can see there it's back in pairing mode. So that's how to factory reset your headphones. Hopefully that will fix any problems you're having. Thanks for watching.